So I'll go through the steps again. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 step, turn, 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 boom. So we pay to the ladies with the arms. We pay attention to them. So you guys, this is your side. It has to look from outside like it's easy to find. Yeah. So like we are 3 couples, like this. Very good. Now we walk together. 1 with the hip, 2 teasing each other. 3, 4, 5, small step. 6, 7, 8. Now we start backing up, and we, as a group, follow my swing. 2, 3, 4. Only 1 point. One set. 2, 6, 7, 8. 1. Now use back foot to turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already 7, 8. 1, 2. Forward. 3, 4 arms. 5, 6. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Girls do hip, guys, you turn and go kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Turn, your beautiful girls. Turn, 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 more. Run day, very good. Run day. So it's a big turn. Land here. Now we're going body wave. Body wave, step, step. Body wave, step, step. Body wave, step, step, and I go kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, go behind the kick, ball, change, touching, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, and then lambada. Da, da, dee, da, da, dee, da, dee.
I don't know.
Like